The second most frequent question that we get all the time is how long does my pool take to build? There's no real straight answer for that, but I can tell you this. On average, it's about 16 weeks. Every project's different. There's different elements to every project, right? If you're just building a pool, you're gonna take less than if you're doing a pool and a patio cover, to give you an example. But, 12 to 16 weeks, that's about average. When you're building a project in the wintertime to be ready for the summer, during the wintertime, that's the rainy season, at least in California. So just expect weather delays too. There's some seasons that's a few days of rain. There's some seasons there's months of rain. So just play with that. Play with those numbers too. So if you're in the process of wanting to buy a pool, just give us a call. Whether you're in the budgeting phase, design phase, we can help you with all of that. Get you ready for permits, get you ready for construction. Let's go, let's build a pool. There's no perfect timeline. There's no straight answer, but we'll get it done. It'll be done right.